actually are in different shape. Apparently this one is a EU type and this one is universal. So let's see the EU type. This is an easy demonstration because all the samples here, they all come together with from the same manufacturer. And with the EU socket and the power metering, it looks very similar to traditional ones unless you start talking to them because they all support the app and voice control. What I'm saying is, even though this one looks exactly like the one that you already have on the wall, you can say, "Hi, Alexa, turn on the light for me." And even though your light is not smart, this one gonna make it smart for you. So the change make it from the small places and small step for Tuya Smart. Huge difference in your home. I'm just making it up. All right, and this one from Bingo You Like sample is universal smart socket. Even if your home is not smart, let's say if the air fryer behind us is not smart, but it is. And you can definitely put it on and you can let it run, let's say 30 minutes before you get home. And whenever you get home, you're gonna smell this delicious food like we are right now, making us a little bit hungry. And and this one gonna change all the things that you have into the energy saving body. So you're gonna see your consumption bill is going a bit lower. Again, today with us, don't forget to apply for the samples and we're gonna evaluate per your business request. And here comes our fourth part, which is temperature controller.
So for temperature controller, we combine the plug and with the temperature and the humidity sensor. This product is basically to keep a constant temperature and humidity in the environment, and it could be applied in various scenarios such as aquarium, the brewing box, the storage house, the greenhouse planting, and so forth. So let me take the aquarium as an example to illustrate how it works. First, we'll plug the heating rod on the smart temperature controller. Is here. We plug the heating rod here and set the temperature in the range of 24 to 27 degrees. And we can set it locally. And of course, when we connect to the app, we could also set in the app. And the heating rod will keep working until the water reaches 27 degrees, and then it stops for a while and start working again when the temperatures fall back to 24 degrees. So of course, if users want to keep the environment constant periodically, they can use schedule functions. In some settings, when staff need to precisely monitor the change of the environment, we also support a visualized display of historical records of indicators and alarms. So more detailed information. So this is the temperature and humidity sensor. So can you give a zoom in? Yeah, this is the sensor, and we could put this sensor to wherever you want to test the humidity and temperature.
Again, I like all the zoom in part, and you have really good looking fingers. And all right, so this sample, and we have introduced a little bit because we requested a sample from them, and this is our first, let's say, priority choice. And it comes from the RSH Technology Limited. And if you want to check on the sample, the detail page, you can click on the link that our assistant sent in the chat box. So they are established in 2005. I don't even remember what I was doing in 2005. But RSH is one of the most professional manufacturers of TV box in Shenzhen, which is a young, energetic city with about 150 workers, including 5 experienced R&D team. We are saying team, not people. And they can support OEM, ODM services as you name, and their factory got ISO 9001 certification, and their factory is about 2,000 square meters factory area. If that is something that you care about, you want your manufacturer to have a certain ability that they own things and not running away anytime soon, if that's the international trust over there. And like you have 5 production flow lines with correct operating operation instructions. And together, I was doing a pretty good, guys. 5 production flow lines and 5 experienced R&D team. Does it mean like each of the R&D team have one of the product lines so they can do whatever they want and set it up at their will? And they do have professional testing labs, which is common thing. And you can also check on Expo, and you can see their videos of showing their, the labs and how their factory look like. And the full set of certification and the patents like CE, FCC, ROS, BSMI, CCC, and KC, anything you name it, it's very critical for the international business. So what we can do today is first, all of our products can be proceeded aging test before shipment, and we guarantee to use our products safely. So safety and all the testing are guaranteed. And secondly, support imprint your logo, which we call a white label or the OEM. So as you can see, this is very plain surface that doesn't have any logo on top of it, but you can definitely print something very easy on over here. And third, OEM and ODM orders are warmly welcomed if your target customer are females and you want to make it pink easy, just do the different colors. And fourth, they have really low MOQ and it is fast delivered. If you don't trust it from us, request a sample today or place a small batch of sample order and test it out yourself and see